At the top of the giddy and the lands o' Leith Ha, a Scranky black Fermer in Earlsfield did dwell. Wi him I engaged a servant to be, which made me lament to get far fae the sea. I engaged with this Fermer to derive Gert and Plew, hard fortune convenient and ill-fate at Carew. I ane of that number that caused me to rue, that ere I attempted the country to view. Up fae the low country my course I did steer, to the parish of Kennethman ye shortly shall hear. Their customs and fashions to me a seemed new, my rapid proceedings fu sore I did rue. At the head of the giddy we did appear, the various counties, some far and some near, with the parish of Kennethman, Kilmarnock and Keith, and fae a Barlower, of May and Fordyce. It's early in the morning that we rise to yoke, and the storm and the tempest can ne'er mak us stop, for the wind it is beat and the rain it is pour, and yon black Fermer on us he does glower. But the hair's time is out, and the day it has come, to the various counties we maun go home. Bonny Jeanie maun travel, bonny Bobby also, to the back beyond Montgomery must go. So fare ye well, Rhiney, adieu to ye clet, for I have been wi' ye baith early and late, baith early and late, and baith empty and fu. So fare ye well, Rhiney, I'll bid ye adieu. So fare ye well, Rhiney, adieu to ye ha. Likewise to yon Fermer that bides at Leith Ha, for to serve that black Fermer I'm sure is nae sport. So I will be going to my bonny seaport.